Yeah. Who's joining me here this afternoon? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're joining. Okay. Yeah, so I've been following up with LPT. So LPT has been my trade for the day. Yeah, but the long setup has not triggered yet. So I'm still hoping that we come down to this area here and that will pick up. Okay, but if I go to lower time frame, it has been taking advantage of all of these small moves in the market. Okay, yeah. So BLZ actually still pumping. BLZ is still pumping. Those of you who took a long trade for this, I will actually be favoring you all. Yeah, except for now that we are having a pullback. Okay, this was the setup for the short trade, but this would have hit your stop loss long time ago. Yeah, so if you took this trade, it means that you would have hit your stop loss. But if you are still holding on, okay, just hold on, because I see this coming down. I see it coming down, guys. All right. If you are still holding on to this trade, you can do, yeah. But I'm looking to take, to enter a trade if we have this pullback. If this pullback actually comes back to this area, okay. If this pullback comes back down to this area, I should be looking at taking a long trade to the upside, okay? So this area, yeah, I'll be looking at taking a trade to the upside, guys. Who's here with me? Where are my traders? Come on, let me know if you took the trades in the morning and what is the result so far, okay? Let's review the morning trades and see what the result so far, guys. The trades we took in the morning, let's review the results and see the results so far. Yeah, let me jot that down so that you'll be able to hear me clearly. All right. If you're here with me, guys, can I see your chat on the comment? What trade are you looking at? Which trade did you take in the morning? And which one are you looking at currently? Okay, which one are you looking at currently, guys? Yeah, so BTC is still looking very boring. BTC is still looking very boring, guys. And then we have some coins that have been doing very well. Okay, BLZ is there, and we have the SFP, the UST. These are the tokens that have been on the gainers list for today. Yeah. Okay, nation-wise, you want us to look at Litecoin? We will. Okay, we will look at Litecoin. So, yeah, for BTC, we are still, we are still down here, guys. We're still down here, guys. So I see taking a trade to the upside down here. Yeah, for BTC, let's see how it plays out, okay? I'll still be looking to take a trade anything above this area. It's on here to the upside, guys. Let's see how BTC plays out. All right, okay, let's look at Litecoin and see what's up with Litecoin. Yes, Litecoin. You want us to look at Litecoin? I think, I was looking at this area. Yeah. So let's look at higher time frame. Okay, so Litecoin was one of those coins I looked at in the morning, and I said if we come back to this zone, that it would be a good area to take a long trade. Okay, and as you can see, we tested that zone and then started going back up. But my entry, I set up my entry at 63.7. Okay, my entry was set at 63.7, but as you can see, we didn't get down to that level. So if you have set up yours at around 64 or thereabout, then this would have picked up your trade and you should be in profit right now. Okay, this would have picked up your trade and you should be in profit right now. And this is another thing you need to pay attention to when we draw a zone like this. Okay, it doesn't mean that you must allow the trade to come to the bottom of that zone before you take a trade, right? So I just missed this, and this would have been a good profit this this afternoon. Like if you have picked a trade here, okay, to that area there. That's over 2.5%. With a 10x leverage, that is around 25% or thereabout. So yeah, Litecoin is that setup is still valid. So you can just wait in case we actually come back to that level again. You wait and take a trade, then you can be waiting to take profit up there and all of that. Okay. So yeah, if we retrace back down there again, you can take another trade to the upside for Litecoin. That's exactly what I'm looking at. All right. For XFP, let's look at XFP USDT. XFP USDT, what do we have here? Yeah, we had a setup to take a trade to the downside. I don't know how many of us took this trade. Though we pulled up there, but my trade did not trigger. Okay. I was looking at entering at 50, but we got to that 499 area and then started dropping. So if you took this trade, then congrats, it would have been a winning trade for you. Okay. Those of you who took this trade, is a winning trade for you. I remember we spotted that resistance and then the support line. So if it comes down to this area, now that we just closed on the 1 hour time frame, a candle just closed below that 200-day moving average, guys. So you can wait to take a trade to the upside from here. Okay, anything at 40 cents, you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside down here. That is, we'll get down to this level, you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside from here. All right, so from here you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside for this particular token. Okay, yeah, I don't know, let me check how much is in this token right now. Let's see. Yeah, we have over 80 million. Okay, $84 million. That is a turnover in the past 24 hours on Bybit. So yeah, another zone you can equally pay attention to. Okay, this area here is equally area of interest, which is where we rejected from. All right, which is where we rejected from. So this rejection here, I don't know how far it's going to go. But it's actually a good area to enter a trade to the upside, guys. Let me see. It's actually a good area to enter a trade to the upside. And guys, that's my 786 level. So that's my 786 level, guys. Let's see if we can actually take a trade right now. Yeah, we're rejecting at that 786 level. So it's a good area to take a trade to the upside, guys. All right, so this our long entry should be around this area. Now if I say wait for a pullback, that pullback may not happen. So it's better you enter with market order right now and let's see how this plays out. Okay, if I say wait for a pullback, that pullback may not happen. All right, and this will start going up and up and up. If I've paid attention to this trade, that would have been a good entry point for me. That would have been a good entry point for me. Yeah, but let's wait. Okay, that pullback to that 786 level would be another entry for a trade to the upside. Okay, anything around 43 cents. Okay, for this particular SFP trade. Okay, token, anything around 43 cents. Okay, 43 cents will be a good area to take a trade to the upside. All right, and then be mindful that our support level, okay, is down here at that 40 cent level. So in case we break below this level, we are going back down to that 40 cent level, right? So yeah, that's what I'll be paying attention to. Okay, for ETH USDT, let's look at ETH USDT. All right, so for ETH, if I go back to my higher time frame, yeah, I'm still waiting for ETH to come back down to that zone. Okay, the zone I'm looking at is this area down here, right? So I'm still looking for Ethereum to come down to this my area here. Okay, let it come down to this my area here, then we can take a trade to the upside. Okay, let Ethereum come down to this area, then we can take a trade to the upside. Okay, yes guys, so yeah. Yeah, this area too would have been a good area to take a trade. Okay, so this would have equally been a good area, which is where we rejected from, right? Okay, this area we rejected from here would have been a good area to take a trade to the upside. All right, so Ethereum at 1,659, 656 would have equally been a good trade. All right, so I can adjust this entry up there and see how that works. All right, let's adjust that entry up there and see how that works. So if Ethereum falls back down to that area again, you're taking a trade to the upside. So that's my new setup for Ethereum, okay? That's my new setup for Ethereum. I'm at the 65.9 in Litecoin. Should I go out? You entered a long trade, right? You entered a long trade, right? It all depends, okay? It all depends on what you were looking at. Initial vibes. It all depends on what you're looking at, okay? Is that your entry? Okay, your entry is at 60. Okay, yeah. All right, your entry is at 65.9. Currently, you're at 66. It all depends on what you're looking at, okay? If it is a swing trade for you, then I would just, just advise that you hold on to the trade, except you want to re-enter, all right? Except you want to re-enter. And then re-entry means that Litecoin will need to do something like, this, come back and then reverse and go back, okay? We are still within this area, guys. We are still within this area. So yes, you can, if it is scalping, okay, you can take profit right now and re-enter the trade, all right? So if it is scalping you're focusing on, you can take a quick profit right now and re-enter the trade when it gets back down here again, okay? These entries for those of us who have not entered already, but if you want to hold on to your trade, fine, you can do that, but be mindful that it can actually do something like coming down to this area before going back up again and all of that, okay? Because BTC is still around that $26,000, all right? BTC has not even made a new major move right now, okay? So yeah, for this particular token, you can take profit right now and then wait to re-enter again when it gets down to that level, all right? But if you want to hold on, why not? You can hold on, all right? You can hold on. Yes, the 786 level, yeah, the 786 level, that is exactly what I just looked at. So for SFP is a good entry for long, okay, but be mindful that we are even still, even close to that our support level of 40 cents. All right, currently this token is trading at that, at that 43 cent level, 43 cent level. So if we break below this area, then your entry for a long trade will be somewhere down there, okay, at this 40 cent level, okay. You will get to 40 cents, you are going to take a trade to the upside. All right, this is what I'm particularly looking at for the what's it called, for this SFP trade, okay. Yeah, so if we break below that level, guys, we break below this level, that's why I say use tight stop loss if you're in this trade. As you can see, the trade is still going down. If you have not entered already, just let it be and be targeting that, be targeting the support level instead, okay? Be targeting the support level instead. But we still have the 786 level to hold, okay? We still have the 786 level to hold. So if we break below this area, then the next level should be where you should be taking a trade to the upside, okay? The next level should be where you will be taking a trade to the upside. All right. So let me see, we can do a quick scalp for this particular token right here. So if I bring my trend line, let's assume that okay, guys, let's see. I see this token moving up, okay? I see it going up. Let's just pay attention and see how that works, all right? Let's pay attention there and see how that works. So our entry is still at that level. Let's see how that works. Okay, nation vibe. You can re-enter the trade, okay, when it gets to that level. you can re-enter the trade when it gets to that level. So for SFP, let's see what's going on here. Okay, yeah, let's see what that does for us. My new entry for a long trade for for BLZ will be at around 11 cents. Okay, if we get down to 11 cents, it should be an opportunity to enter a trade to the upside. For SFP, I still see this, okay, I still see this 40 cent level as a good entry down here. All right, I still see that entry as a good entry. So let's say this does like this, come back there, reject, okay, come down, go back there, reject, and then gets back there before we have something like this, a break and maybe a retest, and then we take it off. Yeah, I still see something like that playing out, okay? I still see something like that playing out. So yes, if you look at higher time frame, yeah, I think I did that stuff on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, yeah, so for SFP, that's what I'm looking at, okay? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So which other token again should we look at right now that will give us quick one? Yeah, OP. OP has been doing wonders actually. Look at OP. I've held this trade for how many days now? For over 2 weeks now. And today, right now, as I speak with you, the token is just going in profit right now. Yeah. I'm just seeing green right now for OP trade because I entered at around 153 and right now we're at 154. So let's even look at that and see the Altcoin. So should I close or I should hold on? Let me hold on and see if we can get to 160. Okay, 160 years is my target. That's my take profit level. So OP USDT, let's see. I'll hold on to it. I've held it for over a week now. So yeah, I'll hold on to it and see how far that can go. I'll hold on to it and see how far that can go, guys. Yes, let's do it. So I'm targeting that 160 level. Let's see if we can get to that level 160. Okay, is it 170? I'm targeting. My target is 170. But if I get to 160, I'll close the trade. I'll take that profit, okay? Because I see, a trend line up here. Yeah, OP is doing great. Is for those of you who are looking for long-term trades, okay? OP is one of those trades you can be holding, for long-term and all of that. Yeah, so optimism, yes. So I'm looking at this coming to intersect here and then come down, okay? So this area, yeah, I want to see it come down there, maybe retrace a bit. So from here, it does something like this, come in here, retrace a bit before we start breaking this trend line and all of that. So I'm still looking for that to play out, guys. Yeah, I'm in the green right now, I'm in the money right now with my current trade on OP. So let's see how that can go. So can we break above this level? Can we break above this 5-6 level? Can we break above that 5-6 level, guys? Can we break above that level? That's the area I'm looking at. Can we break above that level? Okay, let's see how OP goes. Okay, for those of you who want to actually trade right now, I wouldn't say you should enter a trade right now, okay? Because we still have this level to hold. Yeah, maybe we'll consolidate the bit before we break through that level. Then we have the 200-day moving average. Then we can talk about the trend line and all of that. So a good entry would be, okay, let me take this off the screen. A good entry will be going to a lower time frame, okay, and taking trades and all of that. But if we break above this level, let's see that we break above that level and then start consolidating here, okay, start consolidating here, then we can be looking to take a trade to the upside. All right, so your long entry will be anything above these levels here. All right, so guys, anything above that level, you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside and target the 200-day moving average for OP. All right, that's what I'm looking at for OP. Yes, Tony, we've been looking at BLZ. and BLZ pumps. I didn't take that trade. I missed my setup, so I didn't bother taking a trade. And I've not looked at it already again until when I saw that it actually got to 13 cents and all of that. So yeah. If I go to BLZ again, let me go back there and show you what happened. I know those of you who followed me in the morning, if that actually triggered for you, I don't know. We're looking at shorting at around 1-2 stuff of a thing, yeah, somewhere around here, and then it break above that area and went back up. Okay, so breaking above that area going back up means that that setup is no longer valid. So in the next 1 hour, 1 hour 47 minutes, okay, once this candle closes above this area, then maybe this could be an opportunity of us going to the upside. All right. So if we close this candle on the daily time frame, if you're looking at the daily time frame, once this candle closes above this area, then you should be looking at a new trade to the upside. Maybe we can be targeting anything around 20 cents, okay, 19, 20 cents or thereabout. But right now, we are still holding on to that level. All right, we are still holding on to that level. So this hit our stop loss, and we are waiting for a new setup. Okay, we're waiting for a new setup for this particular trade. Yeah, but right now from what I'm looking at, okay, if we retrace down here, all right, if this doesn't hold this area and then we retrace down to this area, this is the next level I'm looking at taking a trade to the upside. All right, that's the next level I'm looking at taking a trade to the upside. So I'll be looking for a long setup from here to the upside, except if we break that level and come down to this other area of support here, then we can be doing that. But if not, I'll be looking to take a long trade from here to the upside. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for the BLZ trade. Okay, that's what I personally will be looking at for BLZ, guys. Yeah, guys, so smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button if you are here. Smash that like button, okay? Just click the like button, and you can join my Telegram. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, I have a target to hit 50,000 subscribers and all of that. So help me reach that goal, guys. Help me reach that goal. Help me reach that goal by subscribing to the channel. All right. Okay. Yeah. And once again, let me show you guys something right now. Any token at all you are trading or you want to trade, you are looking at, okay, you can put it on the chat. Just put it on the chat, guys. Put it on the chat and put it on the chat, and I'll go ahead and look at it for you. Okay, I'm just trying to manage the trades I'm currently taking right now. Yeah, some are going against me, some are going in my favor. So I'm thinking whether to hold the ones that are going in my favor and close the ones that are going against me. Or close the ones that are going in my favor and still hold on to the ones that are going against me. What do you think, guys? All right, guys. So another trading competition that we'll be looking at is the Gate.io, competition, which will be coming up ending of this month. Okay, this will officially start ending of this month. 9 hours from now, registration will begin, and you'll have a lot of bonuses. I'll be doing giveaways. Okay, there are 21 iPhones, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, we have iPhone 15 Pro Max, 21 of them, and then we have over 50 iPads, okay, and then we have 100 AirPods and other gifts, okay, that we'll be doing giveaway for. So I'm, part of the team that will be doing that giveaway, and I'm ready to, do some giveaway to my community members, okay. So guys, please don't fall my hand this time around with this competition. You only need a minimum of $100, guys. A minimum of $100, and you qualify to participate in this trading competition. So just deposit $100 into your Gate.io futures trading account. We'll be doing live trading every day, sending signals and all of that for you to qualify. Once you do up to 20,000, you qualify to participate in all the giveaways and all of that. So if you don't have a Gate.io account already, All right. If you don't have a Gate.io account already, go to the description of this video where you see top 10, best exchanges. You will see my Gate.io link here. Okay. Use that link to sign up for an account, make a deposit into your account, and get ready for the trading competition, guys. Okay. Make a deposit into your account and get ready for the trading competition. That's exactly what we are going to be doing. Now, in case you don't know already, guys, the way we make money in this space is through these competitions. All right. So at the end of the competitions, depending on your performance, depending on the levels you are, you can be going home with, either 500, 200, $1,000 and all of that. It all depends on, there are a lot of persons who do volumes here, like the ongoing buy big competition. Okay, there are people in my team who are going home with $100,000. There are people in my team who are going home with $50,000, some $4,000, some $2,000, and all of that. So yeah, that's how we take advantage of trading competition. While you trade and make profit for yourself, you're equally, sharing in the reward pool that the exchange has set aside. For Gate.io, they have set aside 5 million. Okay, so you join and stand a chance to share in this $5 million dollars that they have set aside for this. Yeah. So don't do yourself, guys. Okay, don't do yourself. Join. Go and sign up for an account and get ready for that. Ending of this month, as you are ending Bybit, we are starting with Gate.io. Okay, any exchange that is doing competition, that's how we'll be doing it. All right, taking it one after the other and see how we can stand to benefit from that. All right, and aside the competition, Gate.io actually have different options. The one that I've been using to earn free coin for myself is if I go here and go to startup. Okay, you just need a minimum of $500 in your account to participate in the startup. They are not charging you for the startup. Okay, they are not charging you for the startup, but you need money in your account to be able to participate, and the minimum you need in your account is $500. All right. So all I just need to do, like this one that are currently ongoing, yes, I think I got 10 tickets here for this first one. Then I got 3 tickets for the second one. So at the end of the day, once this ends up, there's the token. This is like the initial exchange offering. So I earn these free tokens. I have a lot of them on my wallet right now, on my exchange, on my Gate.io account. Okay, by just placing this. So what I did was I put some money in my Gate.io account. I use it to buy some tokens of my choice. Okay, that I know that will do well in the future. So that money there is there like a collateral for me. So I just use it to participate in all of this. There was one token I participated in, only the token that gave me a loan. I think I sold that for over $50 plus. And then I have a lot of other tokens like that. So I'm waiting that, maybe in the bull run, I will just open my account one day and see a lot of money. So it's free, okay, but you need $500 in your account to be able to participate for all of this, all right? All of this token, you can go look at the project, okay, and know what the project is all about. So this is an an option for you to earn free tokens of this Gate.io startup stuff. All right, it is free. You participate free, but you need a minimum of 500 in your Gate.io account to be able to participate. All right, so yeah, for Tony, let's go to ARPA USDT. Let's look at that. Okay, still holding on to my token. Let it go in my favor. I need this to equally give me some profit, guys. I have a trade there that is, minus over $200 in my account. Okay, for this trade, for this particular token, yeah, got that massive week. Guys, so we are still sitting here, right? We are still sitting here since after that, massive dump and all of that. So all of the tokens are all sitting at that, support level, guys. All the tokens are sitting at that support level. So this one is not an exception. So you should be looking at picking a trade on, down there. You're looking at picking a trade down here and taking it up. So Tony, if you are going to trade this token, I'll be looking at picking a trade down, okay, and taking it up. That's exactly what I personally will be looking at right now. Pick a trade at this support level here. But anything that will make us break this level, it means since we've been consolidating here for a while, there are two things that are bound to happen. Either we break to the upside or we break to the downside, okay? Yeah, so you can pick a trade when we get down back to this level, okay? Anything at this level of 0.039, okay? 0.039 or 0.040 and all of that. So pick a trade at that area and hold the trade as long as you can. All right, hold the trade as long as you can. Now, in this case, guys, in case we have a sudden pump that cover up all this gap, right? You see this massive impulsive move to the downside. Okay, we'll have the bulls take over the market. I don't see that happening next month, maybe by October or thereabout, because September has always been a very boring month for crypto. So I don't know if this time around will be different, but we just keep everything under probability and see what happens. All right. So if you take a trade here and we have a sudden pump, then you can take a trade up to that level with a 21% move in the market and all of that. So we'll take a trade to that up there. But in case we break this level, guys, then you should be looking below. If we break that level below, you should be looking at taking a trade to the downside and be targeting your levels down here. Okay. Maybe this level of 0.029, 0.024, and all of those. That is if we break below this area, guys. If we break below this area, then be taking a trade to the downside. But right now, we'll be looking for long. Okay, we'll be looking for long, pending what BTC will do from where it is right now. Pending what BTC we do. So if you are looking to prepare for the bull run, guys, the time to prepare for that is now. When the market dips, all right, you'll be buying as much coins as you want. When the market dips, you'll be buying as much coins as you want. All right, don't panic. But for officials, be trading with stop losses and all of that. So yeah, we'll be looking to enter a trade. If this thing comes down here, put your stop loss just slightly below that area, and then we see how that works. Okay, so for the ARPA, this is exactly what I'll be looking at. If this goes in our favor, we go ahead and take a trade to the upside. All right, that's what I'll be looking at for that particular token. So smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Smash the like button, guys. So I'm looking at taking a long for BTC. I don't know what you guys think. Take a long, maybe, yeah. I'm looking at taking a long, yeah, look at that. So just now we went to 26,100. So yeah, I'm looking at taking a long at that 26 again. So we broke that level. I think before right now, that's when I set up this. I didn't place a limit order, but they broke it and went to that 26,100 and now dropping back again. So I'll be looking at taking a trade to the upside, guys, from here. So I missed that one. Let's see. Let me see pending orders that I have here on my account. Let's see. Yeah, I have a lot of limit orders here for BNB, for GMT. I sent all the signals on the WhatsApp, right, on the Telegram. I don't know how many of you took those signals. Okay, I've closed Ethereum already. I'm looking for a new entry for it. So I have another for Litecoin. Litecoin is still pending, ETC, US, and stuff like that. So BTC, I was hoping to get to 25,000, but right now I'm going to be doing a quick scalp. Okay, Bitcoin Cash, AVAX, and the rest. I'm going to be doing a quick scalp on BTC. So we can enter a trade around this area, 26, okay? Yes, around this area, we can be looking for a trade to the upside, guys. So we can be looking for a long trade to the upside and just target, even if it is 26,200, or we can even target this high, this recent high here. Okay, yeah, take a trade there and target that recent high. That's what I'll be looking at for BTC. Just a quick scalp, okay? When it goes up there, we'll look for another opportunity. All right. If it gets to 200, 200, fine. But if not, whatever it gives us there, this will be like a 1:6 ratio. Yeah, which is good. Which is good actually. If it plays that, is a good one. That is if it doesn't hit our stop loss. Right? If it plays that, is a good trade. Okay, a good trade setup. If it plays that. All right, let's see how that works. Okay, let's see how that works. Give me a moment, guys. Any coin you want me to look at, you can let me know on the chat. But just give me a moment. I need to, take care of some things here before. All right, so I see BTC going well. BTC going well, but it didn't actually hit that my target. Okay, I've been away for some time now. Sorry, guys. I guess some persons couldn't wait any longer. Yeah, CBTC going up, but not in our favor because it didn't pick my trade. So yeah, what's wrong? What's wrong, guys? Who's here with me? Let me know on the chat if you are here. Let me know on the chat. Let me know on the chat, guys. Yeah, BTC. We gotta push this up, man. You know what I mean? All right, who's here? Let's look at another token quickly. Okay, so BLZ is still chopping it. Yeah, all right. Thank you, Nation Vibes. Thank you for being there. OXT, yeah, I'm a bit skeptical about that token. Okay, I've not really taken interest in trading that token and all of that, so I'm a bit skeptical about that. Okay, let's look at the WorldCoin token. Let's look at the WorldCoin token and see what we can achieve with that. Let's leave BTC and go to WLD USDT. Okay, yeah, so this token is beginning to wake up. This were the area we were trading before every other thing actually, before we had this crash down to the bottom. Yeah, this token is beginning to wake up actually. This token is beginning to wake up, guys. Okay, so it seems as if we are at a support right now, resistance, sorry, 153 level. Yeah, went up from here, rejected from there. Right now we're at that area. Okay, we are at that area of that resistance level. So we can look at this area as our resistance level, guys. Yeah. So this area seems to be a resistance on the 1 hour time frame. So we can change that to resistance. And let's say we reject from there. If we do reject from there, then you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside. So here can serve. Yeah, we can use it as mini supports. So this would be our support area. Yeah. So if we reject from here, then you should be looking at these areas. Okay. Remember, I'm doing this on the 1 hour time frame. So if we reject from there, long trade from here, short trade from there. Okay. Long trade from here, short trade from there. So we can go to the lower time frame like the 15 minutes and start looking for the entries. Okay. Yeah. So we rejected there, came back, rejected. So until we break above that level, right, we are still within that range, guys. Until we break above that level, we are still within that range. So we can be looking to enter a short trade to the downside from here, and then we'll target this level here. All right. Then when we get down there, we can equally take a trade to the upside, guys. All right. So pay attention to this token. If you want to trade it, just pay attention and see how this plays out. All right. Whichever plays out first, best for you, take the trade, and yeah, that is basically what I'm looking at. Okay, at this range here, this is enough to give us some cash. Okay, so at 1.537 we take a short, and then at 1.447 we take a long. Okay, that's what I'm currently looking at for the world token, for the world coin. That's what I'll be looking at for the world coin. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see how that plays out. And then this fifth fee or fifth file or whatever the name is, this particular token, it can actually move when it wants to. So if we look at that, let's look at that and see possible entry areas. Yeah. So yeah, 15 minutes, we are still there. Let me go to, this is what we looked at before we went down. This is already out. So let me do higher time frame and see what's happening here. So guys, for this token, we'll be looking for a breakout, okay? We're going to be looking for a breakout to the upside. Once we break above that resistance level, then we'll be taking a trade to the upside. So once we break above that level, we'll be taking a trade to the upside. So wait for it to reject here. Maybe what I'm actually looking at right now is this coming down this way. Maybe come back here before we break above. Okay. So be looking to take a trade if this come back down here to the upside. Yeah. So okay, let me adjust this trend line. Yeah, we had the most touches there. So yeah. So we're looking to take a trade if we get back down to that trend line, guys. Okay. Yeah. But first, a rejection from this area will do. Okay. Yeah, you see that area we are pushing up to. A rejection from this area to the downside will make sense, guys. So I'm going to enter a short right now on this trade with the market order. Let's see how that will play out for us. Okay, let me give you that setup. So a short trade, you can enter with market order or wait when it gets to that level, and then we'll take it down. Let's see how that plays out, okay? Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that pump. Guys, look at that pump. Anyways, the pump is to give you your entrance, okay? Once it pumps like that, 459 is to give you your entrance, guys. Okay, so let's see how that works. Let's see how that plays out. Yeah, basically. So we just monitor this trade and see I'm in the trade. So let's see how that will work for us. Okay, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let me go to 5 minutes and see. Yeah. Let it go, let it go, let it go. I want to see that rejection happening. So let me shift this because we're in that trade already. Let's see how that goes, guys. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Yeah. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? This token no send anybody seriously. Okay. Yeah, for those of you who use stop loss, yeah, this would have hit your stop loss already. But I'm still going to re-enter that trade, guys. Okay, I'm still going to re-enter. Let's adjust our entry down up there. Let's see if we can re-enter the trade. Okay, yeah, this week's up there. That's exactly what we're looking at. Let's see if we can re-enter the trade. Yep. Let's see how this will go. Let's see how this will go this time around. All right, still watching, still watching. Let's see how that will go. Let's see how that will go. If this time around it will go in our favor. Let's see. Let's see. Will it go in our favor or not? Sure, it has to go in our favor, okay? Yeah, it has to go in our favor. Okay, I'm on this trade. I'm doing a quick scalp on this trade. Nature vibes. I'm doing a quick scalp on this trade. So I don't want to take my eyes off this particular token, all right? Remember my entry for long will be up here, okay? My entry for long will be down here, all right? If you get back down to that this trend line here, I want to see it gradually come down to bounce at this trend line and then we take it up. Okay, so this trade, this last trade I just entered now currently is in profit, but let's see how that goes. Okay, so yeah, I'm paying attention to this particular trade. Yeah, while that is happening, let's go to that SFP and see what's happening there. SFP USDT. We'll come back to this one. We'll come back to this one. Yeah, we are still at that 786 level. Okay, we are still at that 786 level. So I told you to enter a long trade there. So if you want to enter, okay. We've not broken that level yet. We've not broken it down. So yeah, it's still a good entry level. Alternatively, just wait for a break of that trend line and then you enter. Okay, wait for a break of that trend line and then you can take a trade to the upside. That's basically what I will be looking at. Alternatively, wait for a break of that trend line and take a trade to the upside. Maybe what we can be seeing here is this gradually coming like this, okay? Maybe coming and then gradually coming before we break the trend line. So if that is what you want to wait for, okay, you're at liberty to do so. So yeah, wait for the break of the trend line and then be looking for a long setup from this area down here, right? Be looking for a long setup at the support, okay? Or you wait for a break of the trend line and you enter a long trade. All right. So for native nations vibes, that's what I'll be looking at for this particular trade. Right. So if you want to take this trade, go ahead and wait for the confirmations to happen. Wait for the confirmations to happen, and then you take a trade. Even if it rejects from here at the 786 level, okay, you still need it to break above that trend line. Remember, more than 15 minutes, okay? You need to break above that, maybe like a retest, and then you can take it to the offside. That's basically what I'm looking at. Okay, so I'm saying let's go back to that trade we took right now and see how that works. What's the name again? FI USDT. Let's see. Yeah, this just has to go in our favor. Okay, we need it to come down. I'm doing like the 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so we need it to come down. Yeah, going well. So let's see if this gradually, plays out. Maybe gradually hit our take profit level, come back to this area. Okay, this will be another point of entry to the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, right? So that area there will be another entry point to the upside. So just pay attention. Let's see how this will work. Okay. Let's pay attention and see how this will work, guys. Yeah, let's see how that works before the end of the day, before we call it a day. Let's see how that works, but use tight stop loss, okay? So that when this token goes against you, you'll not be losing your whole account. Okay, I'm still here, guys, but I have to move my mic. So in case you need anything, any token you want to look at, just type it on the chat and I will respond. Okay, I'm still here. Let me monitor this trade and see how it goes. All right, guys. So for SFP, we just broke below that area. Okay. I think a good entry will be at that support level. All right. Good entry for this, but look at this area. We may reject from this area. Okay. We may reject here to the upside, but yeah, whichever, right, whichever direction you're looking at, the good entry will be down here to the upside. A good entry will be at the support. Okay. So yeah, pay attention to that support level. A good entry will be at the support level, guys. So wait for it to get down here and you take your trade to the upside. Wait for it, get down here, you take your trade to the upside, guys. Wait for it to get down there and you take your trade to the upside. Okay, so let's go back to the other one. Yeah, let's see how that plays out, okay? Okay, you want us to look at BTC? Okay, yeah, BTC. Yeah, I think this trade already triggered. Yeah, the entry for this trade already triggered, okay? So let's see how it goes. I will adjust the stop loss. Anything below that area will accept defeat and look for another opportunity. BTC not reversing the way we wanted it to. Let me adjust my trade, guys. Yeah. Too much money, too much losses. Okay, yeah, we are still within. Okay, we are still within that area. So let's see. Let's see that we reject. Okay, we reject from that area. So yeah, let's still pay attention to that and see if we reject from that area. Okay. Let's see that we reject from this area, guys, for BTC. Let's see that. So yeah. If now we take small stop loss and look for more entries, another entry. If we break that level, then we can be looking for an entry lower. Okay. Stop loss at 6. Yeah. What's happening? Okay, market doesn't want to go to the upside. Yes. So we're out of this trade. We'll look for another entry point. Okay. Yeah, we are out of that trade. Let's look for another entry levels, guys. Let's look for another entry levels. Now the funny thing is that this may hit our stop loss and still go back in profit and all of that. So when you don't give your trade a space to breathe, exactly, okay, that's exactly what I was looking at. When you don't give your space, your trade a space to breathe, things like this will always happen. But yeah, this is out of it. I think I'm still holding on to the other one. I'm still holding on to the other trade. Let's see how that is working out right now. Still holding on to this trade. I still see it playing out. Okay, if you come down to that 0.044, we'll take profit there and we'll call it a day here. Okay, let's see how this plays out. Okay, I'll be ending today's stream with this trade. Okay, so yes, guys, I'll be ending it with this trade. Let's see how that goes. We, take more trades tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow morning is another day that will go live. Tomorrow is another day we'll go live, guys. Do me a favor by smashing that like button, guys. Do me a favor by smashing that like button. So whatever the outcome of this trade is, I will share with you guys on the Telegram. Okay. Whatever the outcome is, I will share with you guys on the Telegram. So yeah, we'll be calling it a day here, guys. We'll be calling it a day here. Please join back again tomorrow with all your questions. I'll be able to provide answers. So let me focus because I have like 3 trades that are running right now. So I need to equally look at those and monitor them. Okay. So tomorrow morning will be another time for the live trade and all of that. So yeah, guys, enjoy your day and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay. Monitor your trades and always use tight stop loss, guys. Always use tight stop loss. So let's see if this one will give us some profit to make up for our losses. Okay. Yeah, guys. Bye bye.